Is Half-Life 3 finally coming? Leaks and rumors are exploding. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into the HLX hype, playtests, codenames, and a possible end to Gordon Freeman's saga. Half-Life 3 might be closer than ever. Want the latest? Stick around. Rumors are swirling on X, fueled by Valve leaker Tyler McVicker, who said in a May 2025 Q&A that the HLX project, widely believed to be Half-Life 3, is playable end-to-end. That means major story and tech milestones are done. Another leaker adds that HLX could wrap up Gordon Freeman's story, ending the saga that started in 1998. Internet sleuths found HLX references in Dota 2 and Counter-Strike 2 updates, hinting at a non-VR game, unlike 2020's Half-Life Alyx. HLX isn't just a rumor, it's an active testing. It's reported that friends and family playtests began in December 2024, which is a big step for Valve. McVicker says HLX uses procedural world tech for dynamic environments like flammable materials and reactive crates. Valve concept artist Evgeny Evstrati even claimed that he was in the room where Half-Life 3 was made. Best of all, it's not VR, making it accessible to all FPS fans. Half-Life 3 is gaming's ultimate unicorn. After Half-Life 2's 2004 cliffhanger and Alyx's 2020 VR detour, fans have waited decades for Gordon's next chapter. Valve's silence, even during Half-Life 2's 20th anniversary in 2024, keeps the mystery alive. If HLX is Half-Life 3, it can redefine FPS games with its tech, just like its predecessors did, but with no official word. We're left with leaks and hope. Could 2025 be the year Valve counts to 3? Are you hyped for Half-Life 3 or bracing another delay? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your dream feature for HLX, and do you trust these leaks? That's the latest on Half-Life 3's wild rumors. If you're pumped for Gordon's return, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news.